Hello everyone, welcome to Fameworld Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and we are working on the Python programming series. So let's continue with the programs which we were doing. Like in the previous lecture, I have discussed about the filter function. So I will also discuss about the filter function and also discuss about the lambda expression, like using lambda, how we can use this filter. So in today's video, I am going to start with the map function. So there is one list function that is known as map. Filter function basically was used for filtering the data. You can just watch the previous lecture to clear that concept properly. And today I am going to discuss map. So map is also a list function only. But yes, the map function is used for making updations. So if you want to update some values, make some updations, you want to make some updations in the list, so you can use this. So first of all, I'm just going to tell one program with the help of without using lambda. So I will be creating normal program with normal function. So suppose let's create update function, and this function I have created. So when I'm creating function, that means this time I'm not using the lambda. And let's say I want to update the values in such a way that I want to create a list in which I want to update each and every element, that I want to make double of all the values. I want to make double of all the values. So here I'm just printing them to make it clear. And now you can just nest the things also. If you want to calculate the even values, you can do that also. So this kind of thing can also be done. I'm telling this because it's not that you cannot nest. And this program for the lambda filter I have already told you in the previous lecture. So for the previous video, I hope you have watched that. Here I'm just using that once again. So it's not necessary, but yes, you can use it. So I'm using it. But you can see I am making this program without using lambda. So without using lambda, I will use map. Okay, for lambda, like this lambda I'm using in the list right now. So even, okay. After that, now with the help of map function, I want to make the values double. So I have created one variable double and list map. And now it also takes two arguments just like filter. So first one, the function which we are using, and another the list which we want to make double. So here you can see I have taken this function update function I want to use, like this way I want to update my values or the list, and this is my list even. So I can use this num also, or I can use this even also. So it's up to us that what we want to double, what we want to update. Okay. So let's run this program. First of all, like here I have not used lambda in map, I have used lambda in filter. So here you can see what is happening. First of all, this was our list. Then the even values were filtered with the help of filter we have done. And then each and every value of this list is doubled. You can see 2, 4, 4, 8. So each and every value is doubled. So n into 2 because we have done. So we could have done this on num also. It's not that we cannot do that. We can do this also. Wherever you like, you can perform this. So this is another thing that we are printing this even, but yes, you can see now you can compare this 55, 110, 66, 132, 24. So now as I have applied it on num, so accordingly it is giving the output. So I hope this is clear. This program is clear, and but here I have not used the lambda expression in the even I have not used the lambda expression in the map. So for that I am going to create one more program, and there I will be telling you like this is without using lambda, and then map using lambda. So map function using lambda. I hope now it will be much clear. Like here I should have written map without using lambda. Now it's fine. So now I will be using lambda here also. So do that. Let's do that. lambda, and now this time I do not need this function because I am using lambda. So lambda itself is sufficient for creating functions in a single expression. N into 2 and comma even we were passing, so let's pass even. Okay, and then close. Okay, let's run it and see that what's the output. And here you can see we are getting the exact and the correct output. This was our list. Then we just fetch the even with the help of filter. You can see with the help of filter on the line number 5 we have fetched these even values, and then out of that we have just doubled each and every value from the even list. So you can see, so list is optional, whichever list we want. Like list is not optional, these are list functions only, but yes, whichever list we want, whichever list we require, obviously we will be passing that only. So I hope this program is clear. We have discussed two different programs in this video. Both programs are related for the map function only. Let me clear this thing that map function is associated with the list function, list class, or you can say list data type. And here we have already also used the lambda expression, but in this program we have not used the lambda with map. Okay, so I hope these programs were clear. And I just want to tell one more thing, like if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And this Instagram account, like Fameword Educational Hub Insta account we are having, so here you can just go once, and here you will be finding more interesting stuff related to programming and coding. Okay, so you can see a lot of stuff is there. You can just go towards it and you will find some good stuff here also, and on the Facebook Fameword Educational Hub account also. So Fameword Educational Hub Facebook page is also there. So you can just go there also, and there are also some different content for you, so don't miss it. Okay, then see you all in the next video, see you in the next lecture. Stay tuned.